Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Tuner on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a CTF challenge from picoCTF 2024. The challenge is called Verify. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge here. The area of the challenge is forensics. The task is to use a script to find the matching hash. You'll find the link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. Here we are at the picoCTF page, and here is the challenge, Verify. So let's read through the description. People keep trying to trick my players with imitation flags. I want to make sure they get the real thing. I'm going to provide the SHA-256 hash and a decrypt script to help you know that my flags are legitimate. And with that, let's launch the instance. And here we get some information on how to SSH into this server. So let's do that. And then we need a password, which we were provided with here, I think. Yes, there we go. And we are logged on. Now let's see. LS, okay, sure. Here we have a decrypt script, so let's have a look at that one. And first we have some check if the user has provided a file name as an argument. So we're supposed to call decrypt.sh and followed by the file name. The file name is stored in a variable. And then there's a check if the provided argument is a file and not a folder. And if there's an error reading the file, an error message will be printed. Okay. So it tries to decrypt the flag or the file to see if it's a valid flag. So let's try this out. We have a checksum as well. Let's have a look at that one. Okay. Let's try and decrypt something. Let's just pick a random file here. And then we get an error saying that there's a bad magic number and that it failed to decrypt the file. So the flag is fake. Keep looking. So we want to somehow automate this checking so that we can do it for all files available. And I will try to do this from the command line, and I'll use the find command. Then I'll specify the path, so files where all the encrypted files are located. And I'll add an option so that we only check files and not directories. And then we'll execute the decryption script for each file that we find. Okay, so here we see the result, and just as expected, there are a lot of bad magic number. Here we actually see that we have found a flag. So it's the file located between this one and this one. So let's copy paste it. So it should be this file. Let's try and encrypt just that file to make sure. Yep. So that's our file and that's our flag. So let's copy the flag and let's try and submit it. Hooray, we solved the challenge. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.